Hello, so here is a quick demo of how an extension works and how to configure it. IndiaMART Extension for Zoho CRM is created to get all the leads from that portal IndiaMART to directly Zoho CRM website. It is quite easy to configure. Upon clicking the pen icon here, the fourth field is asked. So first is in minute. So the minimum time of 6 minutes to maximum 60 minutes. In this time interval, any minutes is specified here. So as I have stated 20 minutes, so every 20 minutes interval the log is executed. Then another is API keys. It is nothing but a comma separated values which is again asked. Then another is status. In the field status, the status is mentioned here which is displayed when the log would be executed. And the last one is owner email. So the email address of that person to get the logs, to get the leads is mentioned here. So the person would get notified. Upon clicking the save button, this extension is configured easily. Now the log would be generated. So let's navigate to InstaMart log web page. So here the list of all the logs which is generated at what time is displayed here. So here the limit of minimum 2 hours is set. So every 2 hours the log would be generated. As I have set the limit of 20 minutes. So during that 20 minutes in the 2 hours gap, 6 log would be generated. So every log is mentioned here. And along with the sync time, at what time the last log or the last two leads were created from the IndiaMART portal. And the detail of all the leads which is seen in this web page, all leads. So here the status which is put from that configure page, the created time, lead owner, everything is specified. Then last is API key index. It is taken from that API keys which was comma separated values. According to that number, the key index is shown as the lead is got from first API or the lead is get from second API. In this way, the number of comma separated values that we put, we can get from what portal or from what addresses that lead was created. So that key index is that thing. So this is the process of how an extension works.